Pav, this fish has been drinking too much water.
There it is. It's a big old rock bass, man. Oh, he's peeing on me.